Is it working? We should be okay. Should be going live soon. Hopefully everybody's watching. We seem to be good. Let's just wait and find out. Should be live. Wait for people to join. We got 5 people waiting. Let's see if that changes. We already got a like. What's up, guys? What's up? Hey, hey, hey. Should be okay. Just waiting for some people to go in, and then we'll get into this pretty cool live stream. What's up, everybody? Say hi. Let me know if you're here. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? I'm trying to see how many people we got. We got 21 people watching already? No way. How many people do we got? We got 22 people. Let's see if we can get a little more before we start this TA. I got a lot of stuff to talk about. Actually, let me get my mic in here. Why don't I even have my mic in here? We should get this in because that's important. Da-da-da. Okay, okay. Now we should be okay. Let's see. Check this is OBS for those of you who are not sure what I'm doing right now. This is just OBS. Just making sure everything is in and right, and then we'll jump into it. Cool. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know, if at any point the microphone starts to act echoey, leave a comment and I'll fix it because I learned how to fix it now. So let's see how many people we got watching. We got 26 people. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? We got Redman Rd, Jason Lucas, Rex Lee, Stephen McCoy, It's Just Zero, Old School Comp, Ray Madigan. What's up, guys? What's up? All right, so basically I want to tell you guys something which is pretty cool for those of you who are watching right now. So I did, in OBS, I figured out a way to kind of change. Oh, is it on there? It should pop up. I want to get it to pop up. Hold on. Oh no, I'm gonna have to play around with it. Let's see if I can get everybody to pop up really quick. You guys should all, I have subscribers that pop up. So I want to show you guys who like the recent subscriber is and everything. So I'm kind of just editing that, and then we'll get into some TA. What's up, everybody? Fixing it up right now. So this is OBS. I want to get some cool stuff on the stream so that you guys can see. So I want to pop up like the most recent subscriber. Let's see. That should hopefully do it. I don't know. I'm going to have to figure it out, play with it later. But basically, like every time somebody subscribes to the channel, it's going to pop up that you guys are... it's going to be a big message on the screen, hopefully, saying that you guys just subscribed. So if anybody hasn't subscribed and is following the live, please try and subscribe, and it should pop up a notification. As well as if people donate, that should also pop up on the OBS. I'm not sure why it's not on there right now, but that was a big thing I'm trying to get done. Oh, there it is. Cool, cool, cool. Now it's up. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So you can see, guys, in the top left corner, we have the most recent subscriber, and then we also have the most recent person who just donated in the live stream. So basically what I was able to set up is anybody who subscribes to the channel who's recent, basically a big logo, which is going to be a surprise. So if anybody hasn't subscribed yet, subscribe and you'll see the giant logo pop up on the screen. And then also, if anybody donates, there's going to be a really big like emoji or something that pops up on the screen too during this live stream that you guys will be able to see. So hopefully some of that stuff will start coming in. Hopefully some people will subscribe. Hopefully we'll get some donations, and you'll see this big logo that's going to pop up. It's really cool. We'll see what happens. But otherwise, I do have some questions I want to answer from people who left comments that I want to kind of talk about before we jump into some technical analysis, and then I'll make sure to shout all you guys out and read your comments. So basically, I'm just going to read what you guys asked me. So I have somebody named, okay, so we got Weber Wolf. And he said, can you do a video on all of your TA applications? Ooh, we got something popped up. What just happened? What just happened? I missed it. Dang it. Something just popped up. Let's see. I'm trying to like do this on my phone at the same time to see you guys. But a bunch of stuff's popping up. I think it's subscribers. I hear it, but I'm not sure if you guys see it yet. But it should be. I hear it, so I think it's working. I'm not sure, but I'm going to play with it. But basically, it says, can you do a video on all of your... Why does that keep popping up? I got to see what you guys are seeing. Leave a comment if you see anything popping up, because it should be working right now. Oh, there it is. It's saying... Il Jones just subscribed. Hey, it's working. Hey, that's pretty cool. And then we got one for the super chats too. So if you guys take advantage of the super chats, you'll see that pop up on the screen too. I can hear it, so I do know it's working. So it says, can you do a video on all of your TA, how to decide what to use, how to set them up, and what to look for, and perhaps what not to do? Patrick Wieland, whose channel got me interested in Digibyte, and from there Litecoin to your channel, has done a few for day trading, but I want to see how to implement them for long-term investment in crypto. So if Weber Wolf, if you're in this, leave a comment, let me know. And I guess we'll get into that in a second. And then I have a comment concerning, it's by Dennis Fartishev. That's a weird last name, apologize. But it says, help with advice concerning Zilliqa. Okay, so as you guys know, I do see all the comments that people leave on my videos. And for whatever reason, we're getting a lot of spam right now. A lot of spam about Zilliqa, about Token Pay, and I think it's Odyssey. Don't quote me on that, but basically all these things pop up on my comments, and it's spam. I have to block them, hide the user. It's really irritating. So basically, it's like an ICO. Like a coin that has not yet been to market, and they want to do pre-sales. So basically people just leave comments saying invest in Zilliqa with my link, and they'll get a referral code. It's kind of scammy. It's similar to BitConnect, almost like a pyramid scheme, or kind of people get their people are like get an affiliate link, and if you use their affiliate link, they get a portion of those tokens before they're released. It's kind of a way to make money. I'd say steer clear from that. I don't think it's a smart move. I think you shouldn't invest in those tokens like that. So Zilliqa, I'd say stay away from right now. It's too new of a currency. And usually what happens with ICOs is once they hit the market, once they are alive and like real for people to trade, it usually plummets in the price, because they'll drop, like they'll have like a million or like, no, sorry, 1 trillion coins in circulation, and then they'll sell them for like $1 a coin. And as soon as they hit the market, it evens out the price level, and it usually plummets to like 10 cents, if not less. So I definitely say stay away from that if you kind of want to save your money. So that's definitely a smart thing to do. I'm trying to just fast this up. Otherwise, let's just get in. I think there was another question. No, so that was it. So can I do a video on TA applications, how to decide what to use? Okay, so this is pretty much trial and error. So if we just go into like Litecoin, let's say right here, hopefully you guys watched my video a few days ago. I mean, like a few minutes ago, I just posted it about Charlie Lee. So basically it talks about, on this, it says like what Weber something said, what is it? Weber Wolf said, what TA do I use? What technical, what charts? How do I know what to use? Basically, I've been watching a lot of other YouTubers and doing a lot of research on Investopedia.com to kind of see what TA and what analysis stuff is the best thing to use and to help doing TA. So I actually use 3 things to when I look at my my charts. The first thing I use is this high-low MMA. So you can see right here, it says the middle high-low moving average. So that is what I use when I do technical analysis. If you click on indicators and then type that in, it'll pop up. The second thing that I use is something called the relative strength index. So again, if you click indicators and then you searched relative strength index, this would pop up. I did change the colors. It's originally purple. So hopefully you guys would are interested in that. Hopefully that's answering any of you guys' questions. Otherwise, we also have something called TA, or no, sorry, Tom DeMark's TD sequential, which is way too complicated to really discuss right now. But that is another thing to use if you guys were interested. That's pretty cool. Otherwise, let's just get into some of your comments right now before we get into technical analysis. We are seeing Litecoin shoot up right now. That's looking pretty awesome. We're retesting a really good support, or sorry, a really good resistance. Bitcoin consolidating and just popped too, so that's pretty cool. Kind of get some noise in the chat if anybody is watching, so that's pretty cool too. Is Ethereum moving too? Ethereum seems to be just staying there. Nothing really moving in Ethereum. But Bitcoin and Litecoin just took off a little bit. Let me just see you guys' comments really quick. It says Bitcoin getting ready to test 7,700. Yes, it is. Let's hold to this 7,600. Sup me thing I should let you inform for the next big thing. Feedback on low volume. What up? Hi from Florida. I don't know much, but I think you could help us learn more about this coin, bro. Okay, I think we're going to break 7,700. Hello from Missouri. Oh, okay. Let me know where you guys are from. A lot of you guys are shouting out where you're from, so let me hear where you guys are from. We got Missouri, we got Toronto, we got Massachusetts, Moonin, Texas, we got nice dual mirror FX. What's up, man? Okay, guys, I told you about this coin. It's gonna blow, supposed to be worth 10 grand in 3 years. I want to see how many people know about this coin. Old school comp size. This is one of the most underrated crypto channels around. Shout out to you. I appreciate that. I am making a personal channel if you wanted to see about fitness and health, guys. Robert Jones says hello from Phoenix. What's up? Heather DeHollander, it's subscribers, cool. I'm a little backtrack. Okay, this coin is called Elasto, blah, blah, blah. Heard of it? What's your opinion on it? So I haven't heard of Elasto coin, and I'm probably, if you want me to do more research, I'll do it off live stream. I don't want to do Google searches and stuff on live stream, but I'll definitely check out that coin. I'm new, but I love your videos. I have a question. Why is there such a price difference for Bitcoin between Coinbase and Live Coin Watch? Okay, so there are different exchanges. I hope I'm answering this right. GL, basically you have different exchanges have their own different prices. They have their own different trades that happen within that. So there are price differences between different exchanges. Coinbase, Binance, Bittrex, Kraken, they're all different exchanges that have their own trading going on within those currencies. So some of them are more different than others. It is a little different. Hopefully that answered you right. We got live Assad Harari. What's up, bro? The higher it rises, the further it falls, or something like that. Let's go, boys. Shillcoin. Oregon, what's up? James Kim says, what's up? Diversity, or choose just a few for sure. If you're referring to your portfolio, I definitely say diversify is the best, because if one thing takes a hit, you don't want all your money in that. What's up? We got Oregon. I said that. Hi from Siberia. Wow, that's far. Florida here. Hey, Renee, stop shilling coins in the chat. He does not know you're collecting bounties for having him mention it, but no, he knows he is getting trolled. LOL. Another thing off topic, I do have merchandise if you guys check that out. It is in the description. So if you guys want to see the merchandise, it is in the description, the top link. It's on Streamlabs. It's some pretty cool stuff. If you guys want to see other designs, let me know in the comments what type you want to see. If you want to see different colors, because I only have black right now and some gray, but if there's a whole different array of colors, if you guys want to see those colors, let me know in the live chat. Otherwise, another cool thing is when you guys purchase merchandise, if I'm live streaming, that will also pop up and say something. Same as super chats. If you guys donate in the super chat, it will pop up on the screen, and I'm just waiting for those big emojis to pop up because I think it's really cool. We got 35 people watching. What is up, everybody? What's up? Let me know where you guys are from, and then we'll get into some TA. Now he knows. Sick Tampa in the house. Thanks for your hard work. What's a good amount of Litecoin to hodl? So that is completely dependent on your standpoint and what is considered a correct amount for you. I can't say exactly what is the correct amount of Litecoin to hold, but I recommend holding an amount that you're comfortable with losing. And I know that sounds bad, but if you have, let's say, $500, that's an okay, and that's not going to affect you with bills or anything like that, put 500 in if that's okay. If it's 50 bucks, put 50 in. Whatever you're comfortable with, knowing it's going to go away. If you think like that with money, if you put 1,000 aside and you know if you lose it, it's not going to affect your immediate standpoint, that's a good amount to put away into cryptocurrency. I guess don't make it all in one currency too. I say definitely diversify within other currencies, but that's hopefully going to answer your question. You dumb bro, Lyft driver told me about this coin that came from. Okay, Norwalk CA, Stanley Ogler. 1,000 Litecoin would be nice to hodl. This Lyft, we got another subscriber. This is pretty cool. I like the sound effect. This Lyft driver told me about this coin, and I want to know more knowledge. I can definitely help you out with that. Maybe I'll even make a video on it later on in another episode about that to answer your question. It's just Zero says LOL. James Kim from Los Angeles, definitely want to visit there. Jake Imbasiani says New Jersey. Thought he would know what could help me out, but now I'm type Elasto and do my own. Okay, definitely a good idea. Do you think this mimics the massive bull trap of 2014? So I've looked into it. I've looked at it, and I believe Dan from Crypto Capital Venture also does similar stuff, and I believe he talked about it. And I've been watching it a little bit. I do think we're kind of repeating history, and I do think we're due to go up in price. I really do think so. I think we've been in a downtrend for like 7 months or 8 months, if that, and it is very long, and we need to see a movement upwards. We got 4,022 subscribers already. That is freaking awesome. Thank you guys. So we're definitely going to be heading up soon. An 8-month downtrend, it's not going to stay like that. You know, it was just a correction. That's what I want to point out. If we look at Bitcoin and we kind of go to the weekly chart, I want to show you guys what I mean by a correction. So we have Rex Lee from Fort Worth. Real spit. Welcome. Thank you. I have to say your TA leaves much to be desired, but your FA is rather decent. I wish I knew what that meant. If you could kind of go a little more in depth there. Collecting on the bounty. There you are. What's up, Weber Wolf? I was actually just talking about you, and I did go over your question. If you didn't see the question, I know you can go back. There is replay on, but if you didn't see the question, I can always do it again for you. So let me know. 10:30 is not PS. Yes, I apologize. My bad. I forgot. Not everybody is from the United States. Eastern Standard Time, not Pacific. But so what I wanted to point out to you guys was on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin obviously is similar to Litecoin in terms of how it trades. So I do have TD sequential on, so I can show you guys TD sequential too. So what I wanted to point out was we are on this downtrend. We are coming downwards, and we are looking for a bottom. Now, usually when we retest that high-low MMA, we bounce up off of it. That's what happens when we haven't been there in a long time. So you can see that we had this huge downtrend, which I don't consider a crash or a bubble like most of the media does. We're actually just going downwards, and we're actually correcting in price level, not necessarily a crash. We're coming back down to an area of known support. That's the biggest thing. Coming back to an area of known support. Another subscriber, hopefully you guys like the emoji. I think it's the CryptoTv logo. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then I have a Meowth from Pokemon. Like, he's a big money guy, so when donations come in like that, you'll see that pop up on the screen in the super chat. So you can see on the downtrend right here, we are retesting an area of support. And usually when we retest areas of support, like the high-low MMA, we pop up off of it and we bounce. We kind of like a ball, when you throw it at the ground really hard, it bounces right off. So that's currently what's happening, is we're bouncing off of it and going up. That's why we're seeing this uptrend starting to form now. So that's why I think I'm quite bullish on this, and I do think we found a bottom, and I do think we're going to continue up. And what confirms that to me is something called TD sequential. So this, Weber Wolf, should help answer you. This is something that I use, a ticker. So I use the TD sequential, if you're still watching. I use the high-low middle moving average, and I also use the RSI. So I just want to see how many people are watching. We got 44 people. What's up, guys? Let me know where you're from. Leave a comment. Join the chat. So you can see off the bounce, when we add TD sequential, the way TD sequential works, now this might confuse a lot of you guys, but it basically just added a bunch of numbers and dots all over the page. So what I look for with TD sequential is 1 to 9 candle runs. And basically, when you see a 1 to 9 candle run like we saw right here, it's pretty much signifying that we pretty much bottomed out. When you see a 1 to 9 candle downtrend, it's due to reverse. That's 99% what happens with TD sequential. So the fact that we saw this candle reverse after 9 is very affirmative and confirming that that's what happens after the 9th candle. Now that also applies to an uptrend. When the candle turns green and we see a 1 to 9 candle move, if we see 9 continuous green candles, it's due to reverse. So to give you an example, if we scroll back right here, we saw a 1 to 9 candle uptrend. And you can see once we continue to go up, into, like, this is just consolidation right here, but we continued to go higher after that 1 to 9 candle. It was due for a reversal. So we saw a full 1 to 9 candle, and then we saw a flip. You also see here we went 1 to 9, and then we flipped, or 1 to 8, I think, and then we flipped. So when you see a full 9 candle uptrend, it reverses. And the same thing applies right now. We saw a 1 to 9 candle downtrend, and then it reverses. So that's the same thing that happens. That's why I like TD sequential, but it's a little more in-depth for those who haven't picked up on it yet. I guess just watch the channel more and you'll learn a little bit more about that as we continue on. But the fact that we saw a 1 to 9 candle reversal, I would call it, in Bitcoin is a very bullish signal, especially on the weekly. Now, all of these appear on the daily, on the 4-hour, it all appears. But the fact that we see this right now on the daily, on the weekly, is a very bullish sign, because the farther out you look in terms of the date, the more accurate your lines will be, because of how spread out you are on a time period, on a time scale. So the fact that we saw that 1 to 9 candle, I'm now anticipating after that a 1 to 4 candle movement upwards. That's where I'm looking for. So we should see 1 to 4 candle move. Like you see here, you saw 1 to 4 candle pull back upwards, and we should honestly anticipate that move upwards here, which could bring us into levels that closer to like $11,000, if not $10,000 for Bitcoin. So that's definitely my bullish TD sequential view on things. Now, let's just read some of your guys' comments. You can see how on Bitcoin 2 now we're on the daily, and you can see how the TD sequential is still there. Things are a little slower when I'm streaming, so I apologize for the delay. But let's just read some of your guys' comments, and then we'll continue the TA and answer some questions. So we have, let's see. We're now at 4,025 subscribers. Appreciate all of you guys. We're really booming right now. I might have to do some more live streams. We have Yakima, WA, Jason White. Sherry, watch every night and learn a lot. Older than 40, so I don't feel so left out. Thanks, guys. That's completely fine. I guess I've looked at the analytics, and majority of you guys are in the older generation, so I'm very fortunate to help all you guys out. It's just Zero Robot TA, LOL, get wrecked. Hey man, from Seattle, I think we will see fireworks the whole week. It's very possible. Whiskey Fishing, Quo, Echo. Uh-oh, I'm going to fix this. Unplug it, plug it back in. Okay. Sounds like a football stadium announcer echo. I apologize. I think I just fixed that in the chat. It usually comes on, but when I unplug it and plug it back in, it fixes it. Techno, Robo, Echo, just got some. Ethereum, I'm good. My name is Sherry, lots of Florida. Yes, Rid. Let me know if I fixed it. Got to fix that echo, bro. Like TA stream. This audio is just nuts. I think I fixed it. Let me know. I unplugged it and replugged it back in. So let me know in the chat if I fixed it. We're currently at 42 people watching. All good now. See, that's what happens. For whatever reason, my mic, after like 15 minutes of streaming, when it just starts to make this weird echo sound. I have no idea why. So let me know in the comments when it happens, and I just unplug it and plug it back in, and it fixes it all. No idea why, but I appreciate the heads up. I do like you guys' help. It says go fix that echo. I just did. The stream, the audio is just nuts. Yes, I apologize before. Better, all good now. Thank you. Dutch Bank. If it fails, will cryptos enter a bear market? See, now to answer that question, Jeffrey Helms, if you think about it, cryptocurrency was made against fiat. If you think about it, when in 09, or I think it was 08, we had the Depression, you saw fiat currency fall, and that developed and gave birth to cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin. And you can see how much that has helped. So as the inflation rate of the US dollar climbs, or all the other currencies for that matter, fiat currencies, we should see more people looking into other sources of exchange, and we should hear about more cryptocurrency in terms of investment for retail investors and the industrial investors, the financial guys. So financial institutions. So as as the US dollar or fiat currency starts to inflate more, or we see a drop in the currency of the US dollar, I truly believe we shall see a massive jump within cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, all the top 10. That's why I recommend those. The other ones are a lot smaller. Not to pass those up, but I definitely recommend doing a lot more research into those before you buy into smaller cryptos. But the top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Verge, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I honestly say stay away from Ripple, Litecoin, Cardano, EOS. Those are all good. Stay away from Bitcoin Cash, just personal preference. Let's see. Digibyte rolling. Yes, we do make videos on Digibyte. Hello and good morning from China. Wow, shout out to you guys. Sounds like you're echoing. I'm hearing 8100, then down to 5800. I believe I fixed the microphone again. If I didn't, let me know in the comments, but I believe I fixed that. What's up, fam? All fiat goes to zero. It's possible that we could see a depression again. The way things are going, the way bonds are going. I'm going to keep the stream for about another like 10 minutes, but my light, it's on a battery, and eventually I do plan on buying a better lighting equipment that's plugged into the wall so the light won't die, but this may die soon, so if it does, I'm going to end the stream, but otherwise we should be okay. Euro goes first. Don't forget Digibyte. I hope so, but I see lots of TA, a bearish scenario. We got another subscriber, Jeffrey Helms. Brilliant, you are a genius. I appreciate that. 4,027. Wow, this is like booming. So hopefully you guys checked out the merchandise too. I'm gonna just show you guys really quick. I'm kind of very happy about that. So I do want to show you guys the merch really quick. I gotta find it really quick though. Let me go back to Litecoin. I believe I just gotta find the link really quick. Hold on. I want to show you it all because it's really cool. And I did a lot of work and designs, and I just think it looks really sick. So I'm trying to pull up the, oh, it's not even in here, darn it. So it's not in the description. That's so weird. I thought I added it to the description. That's unfortunate because I wanted to show you guys the merchandise. So I guess after this live stream, I will add the link in the description. I guess I didn't update it. I apologize. I do believe, I'm just going to check here and see if that's here. I may be able to add the link. I think I may be able to. All right, but let's just, if you guys have any other questions, let me know. Echo, blah, blah, my name, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. I hope so, but I see lots of TA, bearish scenario. Digibyte, my top project. Brilliant, you are a genius. Any clue why Digibyte isn't on Binance? Personally, I have no idea, but if it does get added to Binance, we should see a nice pop in the currency. I'm just gonna pull up the cool shirts that I wanted to show you guys. I'm trying to get the link for you guys so you guys can see, but it's giving me a little trouble. So hold on one second, and I'll get the link for you guys. Okay, so I have the link right now, and I'm just gonna paste it. So hopefully this will update so you guys can all see it. It should be in the description within a few seconds. Oh no, it didn't post. Darn it. No. This is giving me trouble. But maybe I'll just pull up the dashboard merchandise, wherever that is, right here. All right, so I believe this is the merchandise right here. So check this out, guys. I guess I will post the link in the description later, but in all of my videos that I've pre-recorded, the link is in all of those, so check that out. I apologize again for not posting it in the description. But you can see how I have a lot of cool merchandise that it took me a while to make, but I think it's really cool. So I had a mug that I made. I had a CryptoTv legendary tee, so it's a gold Litecoin symbol with the obviously the CryptoTv logo. A lot of you guys are asking me to add some more Litecoin designs. I can do Digibyte if you guys are interested in Digibyte designs. I added a Litecoin accepted here. I thought that was pretty cool. And I have just majority of the logos, and every time you purchase the merchandise, I will get a notification, and if you make a video or take a picture of it and send it to me, I will put you on the channel. So that's pretty cool. But otherwise, let's just check out more of, let's see, Ethereum. So Ethereum seems to not be following the rest of the crowd for whatever reason that may be. You can see how, for the most part, it is just consolidating, and it seems like there is some type of resistance at around the price level that it's at currently. But you saw Bitcoin and Litecoin jump right now, and we do not see this currency moving up at all. But I do think it's slow, and I do think at some point we will catch back up to that high-low MMA. What is that? I think if things go well, it will hit 3 to 5K. Oh, okay. So that's what I believe will happen with Ethereum as we continue. Love the designs of the shirts. I appreciate that, Robert Jones. Again, if you have Robert Jones, apologize. If you have any other designs or colors you want to see added to the website, let me know, and I will surely update that. So you can also see, I literally just made a video, and now we're seeing a massive spike in volume. So I kind of just want to check the cryptocurrency market cap and see. We got another subscriber. Shout out to you. We got almost 50 people watching. I'm pretty impressed with this. This is the biggest live chat we've had in quite a while. Your face. So if we click on, I want to do Litecoin, and we're going to see, actually, let's just see the volume. We have only 262 in volume right now, and we do have a small spike in the currency on CoinMarketCap. Indirect Squash. That is a pretty cool name. I think EOS Theta is the sleeping giant. Definitely we can review Theta. Let me know in the live chat right now what other currencies you guys want to see on the channel that you want me to really like go in depth with. Old school comp, Hayden is the man. What's up, bro? So yeah, the volume moved up. I'm trying to get this chart to load. It's taking a little bit because I'm streaming right now, and it usually kind of lags until I get another monitor. This will have to do. Tron or Ripple, Veritasium, they want to see. Those are definitely some that we have reviewed in the past, but I can definitely do that more. Digibyte, I've made a few videos on those. Jason Lucas, you can definitely check them out again. We have Tron, Neblio, okay, Michael. Any other currencies you guys want to see? So this is going to take a little longer than anticipated, which is unfortunate. I'm running the Theta test net right now. We got Ripple too. Definitely giving me good ideas. I appreciate that, guys. We have Litecoin at 85.50. Bitcoin, let's see how that's doing. Still testing that top of the resistance. You can see we managed to break through with enough volume and get above this resistance band. Where now iOS, we have Hayden is so professional and built for this. I appreciate that, Dave C. Thank you for the comment as well as some of your criticism, but I do appreciate that. You've been here since I've been at like, I think 300 subscribers, so definitely appreciate that. XRP, Ripple. I know you love your Ripple. VeChain opinion. Maybe I'll make some Ripple merchandise. That might be pretty cool. Was expecting beer, popcorn, and strippers. Litecoin was my next choice. What's up? Ripple Army, hi. So definitely Ripple should be a currency that I do a little more on. You guys seem to be very interested in that currency. My biggest issue with Ripple is the fact that its current like circulation and the amount of coins it has is quite high for my personal taste. Now, that isn't a turn off for some, but to me, just to have so much in circulation, and I do believe the actual company is holding on to a lot of that crypto itself to keep the price where it is. It's artificially inflating it. Dave C, you are rocking. I appreciate that, bro. You can see we do have a volume spike ever so slightly, so that is pretty good. Ripple equals Banker Coin. 100% right on that. You are 100% right. Doge may have potential. Let's see. Ripple Banksters coin avoid. I just want to try something really quick. Nope, still not here. That's unfortunate. Let's see. Anything else? I want to pull up the link. So if I just go to YouTube, I'm going to pull that up while we go on to cryptocurrency coin market cap. Otherwise, everything's looking up right now. You can see Stellar's taking the biggest impact, and I've talked about that in a few videos in the past. So if you guys were interested in that, let me add some more light. My light's about to die, so we may have to cut this video short. I apologize for that. You're starting to see that now. That's why I need to invest in a new light. They burn and are in space, deals with huge money. Yeah, my light's about to die. I may have to cut this short, guys. I will be buying a better lighting system very soon. I'm going to have to cut it short. I apologize. We will be doing this again. I appreciate all those who subscribed, whoever donated. I appreciate that as well. I'm going to see you guys, I guess. Do you guys want me to do a live stream tomorrow before I cut this off? Let me know. Do you guys want to see a live stream tomorrow? If so, I will definitely do one. Let me know in the live stream right now before I get off. I'm going to charge my microphone. I mean, sorry, my lighting system. No worry, night vision goggles. LOL. I have a nice night. Thanks. Yes, yes, yes. So you guys want to see a live stream tomorrow? I'll definitely do it then. I appreciate all the love. Hayden Nasdaq owns Digital Currency Group. Creating. Yes, yes, yes. Wow, we got a lot of people saying yes. How many people we got watching right now? 51 people. All right. Well, if I get a bunch of more yeses, I will definitely do a live stream tomorrow. 100%. I'm going to charge my light, and I may actually just purchase the new lighting system tonight because you guys want to see the live stream, and I'm definitely going to put the ad revenue back in, buy that new light, and we'll get things going. Nice. Thanks for your videos. Digibyte, please. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I will do a Digibyte analysis tomorrow, Weber Wolf. Wow, we got a lot of yeses. I appreciate that, guys. So let's shoot for like 3:30, maybe 4 in the afternoon, around that time. Definitely in the afternoon. I don't want to bother you guys. Otherwise, do you want me to do it at night? I could do it at night too. I don't know which one is better for you guys. I don't want you guys to be interrupted. I know some people might be at work, but I'll do a live stream tomorrow, and I guess I will see you guys soon. You can see that when the light dies, the green screen in the back starts to show. So maybe I'll do a live stream tonight. How about that? Night. Okay. I'll do a live stream tomorrow night. I'll put out an event and we'll do it. Sounds good, guys. Otherwise, CryptoTv signing out. I appreciate all the love in the chat. Thank you for all those who have subscribed. Thank you for all those who used the super chat. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Let me cut this. How do I end this? Nah, nah, nah.